Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Google Chrome browser language. By default, Google Chrome installed the English language. If you would like to change the browser language, then you can change as you need. For example, if you change the Spanish language in your Google Chrome browser, website caption will be automatically changed to Spanish language. But the website must be support for the languages. Most of the famous websites support for the multiple language like YouTube. Let's learn how you can set up this. Open the Google Chrome browser. You can see by default the website caption shows for the English language. By default it's all caption shows English language. I would like to change a Spanish language, so I have to go to more icon, then click on the settings. Here you have to search the language, then you have to click on the languages. Here you have to click on the add language link, then you have to search on the Spanish. I'm choosing the first one, Spanish language. Then you have to click on the add. Now the Spanish language added in your Google Chrome browser. Then you have to click on the more action, then you have to click on move up. Now your browser has been set for the default languages as Spanish. So you have to click on the more action, then you have to enable the display Google Chrome, then you have to click on the offer to the translate page on this language option, then you have to click on the relaunch. Now you can check it out, all the language has been changed as Spanish. You can also check the YouTube, you can check it out. The caption has been changed to Spanish language. The all caption by default, the website captions has been changed. If you would like to again change the English language, again go to settings, then click on the languages. But the problem is you cannot find the languages here. Why? Because the language has been changed as a Spanish. So you have to translate into Google to language to the Spanish language for the caption. This is the language, you have to copy and just search this. Fine. Now it will be moved for the languages section. Then you have to select the Spanish language and move down. So it will be moved for the English as a default. So again you have to click on the more action. Then you have to enable the display Google Chrome. Then you have to click on the relaunch. See, your browser language has been changed as English. If you would like to remove the Spanish language, you have to click on the more action and you have to click on the remove. In this way, you can add any language in Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative videos, subscribe the channel.